In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play COD in BlueStacks 5. First, open BlueStacks 5. On Windows, you usually do this from the desktop shortcut or the Start menu. When BlueStacks loads, you should see the main home screen with large app icons and a toolbar along the sides. Give it a moment if this is your first time, because it can take a little longer on the first launch. Now click System Apps, then Play Store. You will find System Apps as a folder icon on the home screen of BlueStacks. Once you click it, a small grid of default apps appears, including the Play Store icon. When you open Play Store, it should look just like it does on an Android phone, with a search bar at the top and different app categories below. Next, sign in with your Google account. A sign-in window appears asking for your Google email and password. Make sure you use an account you actually control, because this same account can sync your purchases and basic settings. If you see a prompt about backing up data or turning on extra services, you can accept or skip according to your preference, and you will land on the main Play Store screen when you are done. From there, search for Call of Duty Mobile. Go to the search bar at the top of the Play Store window and type Call of Duty Mobile in full. As you type, suggestions may drop down, but choose the main game entry with the familiar Call of Duty icon. On the game page, you can confirm it by checking the large banner image and the Install button on the right side. Now click Install. The button turns into a progress indicator and shows the download status. Since this is a large game, the download can take several minutes, especially on slower connections. You will see the progress bar fill and then switch to an installing message, and when everything is ready, the button changes to Open, which means the game is now installed inside BlueStacks. With the install done, open the game. You can either click the Open button right there in Play Store, or go back to the BlueStacks home screen and click the new Call of Duty Mobile icon. The first launch usually shows the game logo and then some terms or notices, so give it a bit of time to reach the main login screen. At this point, log in with your Activision, Facebook, or other account. Choose the login option that matches where you already play so your progress can sync. If you pick Guest, your data stays only on this BlueStacks instance, which can be lost if you reset it. After logging in, you should see the lobby screen with your character model and menu buttons. Next, download the additional game files. The game will usually prompt you right away with a download screen showing required resources, like maps and textures. Let this complete without closing BlueStacks, and you will see the percentage reach 100 and then a confirmation that resources are ready. Some optional packs, like high-resolution textures, can be downloaded later from inside the game settings if you prefer. Finally, start playing. Tap on the multiplayer or battle royale mode, confirm your loadout if needed, then hit the start button to enter a match. BlueStacks maps keyboard and mouse controls automatically, so you can move with the keys and aim with the mouse right away. The match will load, and you will find yourself in-game, able to run, aim, and shoot just like on a mobile device, but with desktop controls. You have now installed Call of Duty Mobile in BlueStacks 5 and played your first match on your computer. So if this helped you get into the game smoothly, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe as a simple way to catch more short BlueStacks tips.